Look at Juju, motherfucking kisses.
I got you.
If they take the hoodie off her head, they're gonna put it on her head. She's gonna get
kisses.
Kisses, Lady Lives, you already know.
Look at this motherfucker. We got Shalana and shit. The fucking grown ass woman of the shit. We got Taniqua. Yo, Taniqua, rep that Harlem, son. Nah, she ain't on that flat shit. Oh shit, diamond. Look at the titties, motherfucker. We got Ebony, motherfucking T. Oh shit, motherfucker. And we got Nuno. Zoom up on that. Like that, son. Nah, look at the cripples. Look at the cripple motherfuckers. Look at my son right there, Nella. Alright, chill. It was your moment. Let them shine. Fuck.
Let them shine right now. Now this moment is
Wait. What are they at? SRB? Watch out, nigga. SRB, what up? SRB, what up? Super Rich Boys, never heard of him. I'm sorry. Never heard of him. I'm sorry. What am I?
Yeah, I'm about to spit. Yo, you about to take it over? That bring money like baking soda.
Baking soda, nigga.
Put him out for that.
Cooking it and shit. And we out this bitch.